Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your SoloLearn account. So let's get started right away. Now, when you have signed up and created a new account on SoloLearn, you will be able to use these credentials in order to log in and start learning right away. However, this doesn't mean that your account has been fully activated. When you try to do something while using the app, such as create a new discussion, you will be asked to activate your account first, and you will be told that some instructions have been sent to your email in order to activate your account. So just open up the inbox of the email address that you use in order to log in to your SoloLearn account, and you will find an email from SoloLearn. Once you find this email, just click on the Activate Account button, and after you do this, your account will be activated on the SoloLearn application right away. Just wait until you receive the message letting you know that your account has been activated, and once you see this message, you can start using the SoloLearn application with all of its functions. Make sure to check your spam folder if you don't find your email within your inbox. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your account on the SoloLearn application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.